In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Amazon Pay balance easily. This process takes only a few minutes and helps you keep track of your spending or available funds. First, open your favorite web browser and go to Amazon.com. If you're not already signed in, click the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email address or mobile number, then click Continue. Next, type your password and click Sign In. Once you're logged in, look for Amazon Pay in the top menu. If you don't see it there, don't worry. There's another way to find it. Move your mouse over Account and List near the top right, then click your account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down the page until you find the section called Other Programs. Inside that section, click Amazon Pay. You'll now be taken to your Amazon Pay dashboard. Here you can view your Amazon Pay balance, and if you use Amazon Pay later, that balance will appear as well. This page is your main area for managing Amazon Pay. You can check your balances, view recent transactions, and keep an eye on your finances. By following these steps, you've successfully checked your Amazon Pay balance. Make sure to review it from time to time to stay on top of your spending and avoid surprises. I hope this guide helped you. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick tech tutorials.